Hi friends, before watching this video, please like my video, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now today we have to discuss about similarity. Now chapter number 1 similarity standard 10. We have studied already similar triangles and tests of similar triangles. SSS test, SAS test, AAA test and AA test. And now we have to apply these tests while solving examples. Now practice set 1.3, example number 2. State government you have to use for this. In triangle PQR and triangle LMN, sides are given. And question is what? Are the triangles similar? These two triangles are similar or not? That we have to discuss. If yes, then by which test? Question is what? Triangles we have to show similar in which test? So, before that session, I have given theoretical idea about how to expand the test. Same way, I am writing here. In triangle PQR, how to write solution? In triangle PQR and triangle LMN, what we see? All sides are given. So find it first correspondence. Now here 6, here 3. After division we will get what? 6 upon 3, 2:1. Here 8, here 4. Then after division, 8 upon 4 means 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 2. 4 to the 8 means 2:1 you will get. And this 10 upon 5 means 2:1 you will get. This all sides ratio you will get same. Means ratio sides are in proportion in this figure. So we have to use SSS test for similar triangles. Because all ratios of corresponding sides are in proportion. Means get same values 2:1. And correspondence also we got. First we have taken this side, then this and this. Which PQR corresponds to LMN. For this correspondence, we have to expand. PQR corresponds to LMN. For this correspondence, we have to explain that all. See now, all the ratios I have taken. These are the corresponding sides of two triangles according to this correspondence PQLM, QRMN and PRLM. Like this. Now PQ upon LM we have taken 6 upon 3 is 2:1. QR upon MN 8 upon 4 is 2:1. And PR upon LM is equal to PR upon L is equal to 10 upon 5. 5 of the 5 is 2 upon 1. All the ratios got same values. So these corresponding sides are in same proportion. Therefore, from 123. Like this we can write side. Right side is equal to right side is equal to right side. Then from 1 to 3, left is equal to left is equal to left. Means corresponding sides are in same proportion. Means sides are in same proportion. Then how to show these two triangles are similar? By SSS test for similar triangles. Therefore, triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN. These two triangles are similar because of what? Sides are in same proportion. Now by which test? SSS test for similar triangles. Now read the question. According to figure, are the triangles similar? Yes. We have shown, not this is right, yes. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN. EPS, then by which test? Test also given. So according to this method, you have to derive or explain and write conclusions or steps with reason. You will get a proper mark. Now, 8th example from that exercise 1.2. Segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. Segment AC and segment BD intersect at point P. We know that if two lines intersect, see these are the lines, then they are intersecting at one and only one point. That time you will get vertically opposite angles are congruent. That also you must know that property. Angle APB congruent to angle CPD. These are the vertical angles. This is also pairs of vertical angles. Both are congruent. This angle and this angle both are congruent. This angle and this angle both are congruent. This try to understand first. If you know this property, it is in line standard. If two lines intersect each other, then they are intersecting at one and only one point, and vertically opposite angles are congruent. Miss C. And AP upon CP is equal to DP upon DP. AP is here, CP is here. This and this side ratio given. BP, DP. This BP and this DP. This side ratio given. These both ratios are equal. And this side and this side, AP and CP, are the triangle ABP and triangle CPD of that sides of that triangle. So sides are in proportion and we have to show only included angle congruent. See, AP is here, CP is here, BP is here, DP is here. So these two sides of these two triangles, these two sides of this triangle means these all sides are of two triangles. Now, this side divided by this side is equal to this side divided by this side. Means two sides and this is the included angle. These two sides and this is the included angle. Now, included angle is congruent and sides are in proportion. Then what we can say? By SAS, by SS test, these two triangles are similar to each other. And that only we have to prove. See, triangle ABP, this. Triangle CDP, this. We have to show similar. Now same way, this explanation. Now see here, solution how to write. What we have to show? These two triangles we have to show similar. Then that will be named a triangle ABP and triangle CDP. Correspondence check, correct or not? If not, according to triangles, in name of the triangle, correspondence is not there, then we have to write special correspondence. ABP, here it is, ABP, means A here, B here, P here. CDP, C here, D here, P here. Means last alphabets are P, means angle P. So PP, we can show congruent by vertically opposite. And AB here, nothing given, not given. So first alphabet CD, first alphabet CD, not given. So it will match it. And this corresponds to this corresponds to this. Means that sequence is correct. So that only corresponds to our taking. And ADP corresponds to CDP for this correspondence. What is given that only first we are writing? Corresponding pairs of two sides of that given two triangles are in same proportion given. Call this way equation number 1. The reason is given. Since this reason. And we have to show this included angle congruent. Angle APB congruent angle CPT. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Are congruent because these two lines are intersecting each other. Now from 1 and 2. Same name. These two triangles ADP and CDP given that are similar to each other because why? Corresponding pairs of sides of two triangles are in proportion and included angle is congruent. Therefore, by SS test these two triangles are similar. Now question we are ready. This is given and prove that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABCD is similar to triangle CDP. Finish. This is proved. One given proof and one given example how to solve. Same method in this problem set 1.3 or miscellaneous exercise. On similar triangles, any example, you have to develop like this. What is given that right? Which test you have to use? Which correspondence you have to take? That try to understand and develop this. You will get answers. This is about similar figures and practice set 1.3. So keep practice, keep watching. Thank you.